Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic option to set the time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And right now we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping, pick the date we want to use. And the same situation with the time, just tap on it and swipe. It will be, of course, immediately applied to the status bar. We can tap on the time zone, and here we've got the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the dual clock option, so it depends whether you want to use it or not. Basically, this option will display two different clocks. The first one will show you the time from your current place, so the place you're currently in, and the second one from another place of your choice. So it's up to you, as I said. And here I forgot about the time format, so you can manually change it. You can use 24-hour one just like now, or 12-hour. So simply, if you want to, just tap on this option. If you want to, you can of course go back to all automatic options just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.